D.D. Walk is fifty.
Wait no more! I give up! Tell the kitchen clowns to bring you something!
As you wish.
Hey! Bring the king something to eat, will ya?
I don't get it. Couldn't they hear me?
Maybe they'll hear it! Hey, you lazy goofing at the bum! You heard the snail! I want my dinner! Huh? What the? Those sandwiches sure look yummy. Where'd you get them sandwiches, Water Dew?
We ordered it!
What?
Oh, you got you when you're hungry.
Kawasaki's got a brand new delivery service, Your Majesty!
Why didn't nobody tell me, huh?